Central African Republic's interim president Michel Djotodia is a troubled man. Political sources in Bangui and French diplomatic sources say Djotodia will announce his departure at a summit of regional leaders in the Chadian capital N'Djamena or shortly afterwards on his return to Bangui. However, a spokesman for Djotodia has denied any such plan. The Economic Community of Central African States Secretary General said the group would tell Djotodia that his transitional government was not working. However, Ahmad Alami added that a change in leadership was not the goal of the meeting. Djotodia may have officially disbanded the rebels, but has proved unable to keep them in check. There are fears that the unrest is spreading through the region, with a UN official warning that both Seleka rebels and former government soldiers have crossed into volatile Democratic Republic of Congo. Meanwhile, the UN has warned of an impending humanitarian disaster. Aid was distributed to some of the 100,000 people sheltering in makeshift camps at Bangui's airport as deadly clashes continued.
Well, the idea is exactly to try to serve everybody according to the capacity that we have, and we divided by zone all the parts of this camp, and with the help of the head of all the zones, we have sensitized the people and the population to make sure that in fact we can orderly provide assistance. Yesterday there were initially some hiccups, which is normal in this kind of situations, but today is working much better.
On Wednesday, the UN warned that measles had broken out at the airport. The medical charity Médecins Sans Frontières, MSF, immediately began a vaccination campaign.
It was very urgent to start because it's very contagious, and this population is living in very dire hygienic conditions. The density of the camp is also impressive, and in these kind of camps it's a very high risk of epidemic.
According to the UN, more than 500,000 people have been driven from their homes and 2.2 million people are in need of humanitarian assistance. Carol Oyola, CCTV.